Hi kids, welcome back to the English class. As you know that reading and explanation has been completed of chapter number 3 Clever Tenali Rama. Now it's the time to do the book exercises. So be ready with your new buzzword English textbook. Page number 39, exercise A. Before starting the exercise, I am going to explain pronouns. Children, pronouns are the words that are used in place of nouns. Example, he, she, we, you, they, it. These words are pronouns. Now you can understand by this noun, pronoun. Rohan, he. Sonam, she. If I am talking about a boy, by saying his name, the name is noun. But again, if I am talking about that boy, but I will not repeat his name, but I will say he. The word he is pronoun. Now I am talking about a girl whose name is Sonam. The name of the girl, Sonam, is noun. Again, if I'll talk about the same girl, but I'll say she. The word she is pronoun. You can see over here, Rohan is my best friend. He lives in Agra. A boy whose name is Rohan. Rohan word is noun. And again I am talking about the same boy by saying he lives in Agra. The word he is pronoun. Now we will talk about the personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. Personal pronouns, he, she, they, we, you. If something belongs to these pronouns, the words used for the belongings is known as possessive pronouns like he, his, she, hers, they, theirs, we, our, you, yours. Rohan is a student. He respects his teachers. Rohan is a boy. His name Rohan is noun. Student, noun. Teachers, noun. But the teacher belongs to Rohan. The word his tells us that teachers belong to Rohan. Then the word his is possessive pronoun. Now look at the page number 39. Exercise A. Complete these sentences with the correct pronouns. Number 1. Your bag is on the table. This one is mine. Here we will write mine, because if the bag belongs to me, we will write mine. Number 2. I will meet you at the station. Here we will write I will. Please wait for me. We never write I after 4. So we will write over here me. Number 3. I have lost my pen. Please help me find it. It's. We will write over here it. Number 4. Alpa lost her book yesterday. This must be yours, hers. As we are talking about Alpa, so the book belongs to Alpa, so we will write here hers. Number 5. We gave them our phone number and they gave us. For they, we will write theirs. Number 6. Sanchit and Titus are not coming. they, them don't really like parties. Here, for Sanchit and Titus, we will write they. So the sentence is, they don't really like parties. Now, on page number 40, exercise B, we will complete it, but before completing the exercise, I will explain demonstrative pronoun. Children, words that point out to objects. These words are known as demonstrative pronoun. The words this, that, those, and these are demonstrative pronouns. This and that are singular demonstrative pronouns. Means this and that demonstrative pronouns are used for singular noun. These and those are plural demonstrative pronouns, and these and those demonstrative pronouns are used for plural nouns. This and these are used for the objects or people near to us. Here in the picture you can see a boy is standing near the tree and he can say, this is a tree. If there are more trees, he will say, these are trees. Next, that and those are used for the objects or people far away from us. Here you can see a boy is standing and tree is far from that boy. If that boy will talk about the tree, he will say that is a tree. If more trees are there, he will say those are trees. Understand? जो चीजें पास होती हैं उनके लिए this यूज होता है और जो चीजें दूर होती हैं उनके लिए that यूज होता है. Now you watch the video number 2 to complete the book exercises of page number 40 and 41. Thank you.